Malaysian police say they have found some fingerprints at the Rainforest Resort, where a teenager from London went missing 4 days ago. Police initially said there were no signs of foul play, but now they say they have not ruled out a possible criminal element. At least 20 people have been interviewed so far.
Although we treat this case as we classified this case as a missing person, but we are not ruling out any possibility. That's why the process of investigation, this investigation is very big, very wide.
15-year-old Nora Anne Quoirin disappeared from the Dusun resort about an hour away from Kuala Lumpur on Sunday morning. More than 200 searchers, dogs and drones are searching the thickly forested area around the resort in Seremban.
Nora has a learning disability, and her family says it's unlikely that she had run off, emphasizing that she is timid and reserved.